Hello, we're over here to Apricot Street in Plantation Village. Another nice home for sale over here. 24 by 44, 1980. Good size home. Asking price on this is not bad at all. Good buy for your money. We're in the kitchen area here right now. It has butcher block style countertops. Comes with a microwave, stove, refrigerator, freezer, no ice maker. Also in this kitchen, I'd like to point that we have an indoor washer and dryer. Maytag, fairly new appliances. I'll walk out here into the living room. Quite spacious, very large size here. As in most homes like this, they're moving out. They're leaving everything that you see here stays. Ceiling fan, dining room outfit off the living room. Good size room for even larger table and chairs if you'd like to put it in there, and seating for 6. Very good size. This is all carpeted though, you know. Majority of the home is carpeted except for the kitchen area where it is the vinyl. And off this living area, we have a lanai that is of a good size. It's approximately 20 by 12. Has Florida glass windows. They are sliders, but it has the Florida glass, which is a plastic. This is the guest room here. Ample size. They have a queen bed in here now. It could even accommodate a king if you needed to. Has a nice sized closet off the side of it. Central air and heat. Come down the hallway, we've got a linen closet here. And another one here. You can't have too much closet space in Florida. In here we got the main bath, tub tile combination. It's a steel tub. There's a newer water closet. Yellow top, you can change that out real easy if you want to. They have these already built up at Home Depot and Lowe's. It's a cakewalk to change those out if you didn't like that yellow. Now we're walking back into the main bedroom. There again, it's painted pink. If you don't like pink, real simple to change the colors. They're in the process of moving some stuff out of here, so that's why it looks the way it does. There's the place to really store this stuff. But the dresser and bed and stuff would stay with it. Then you have an ensuite bath and walk-in closet on one side and a sliding door closet on the other. I had a home this size when I first started out. It was ample size, no problem at all. Good size home. Mentioned that this home in the last week has had a brand new service panel put in it. A lot of these service panels in some of these homes have the ones that should be out. This was just put in last week. Okay, here we are. If you like this home, we have it for sale. You can give me a call, Jerry Gatzmeyer, at My Florida Dreams. Phone number is 941-779-7842. This is a fantastic park. They don't stay for sale long in this park. It's a gated community, close to Anna Maria Island, what everybody wants down here in sunny Florida. So give me a call if you're interested in something like this. Thank you.